Well, Papa Squirrel had some sad news. Well, dear, we're gonna have to move. But why? This oak tree is perfect, and we live in the perfect place for a squirrel family with all the wonderful acorns and apples and berries. I know, but Mr. Jones, I overheard him, and he was saying he was too old to rake up the oak leaves, and he was going to arrange to have it chopped down in the morning. Well, oh dear, what are we going to do? Well, we'll have to pack tonight and head out to find a new home. Well, we better tell the girls. Girls, come here. We need to talk to you. Yes, Mama? Well, your father says we need to move tonight because Mr. Jones is going to chop the tree down. So you'll need to pack and hurry. We'll need to head out. Yes, Mama. The squirrel family headed out into the night. Oh, darling, we better hurry. It's really dark out. Oh, we'll find a spot. Suddenly, an owl swooped by. Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo! Hide! Hide! Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo! Dinner time for me! Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo! Darling, we've got to find a place quickly. Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo! Hide! Psst! Psst! Darling, is that you? No, that's not me. Psst! Over here. Apple? Acorn? Audrey, is that you? No, Mom, it's not us. Suddenly, a rabbit head popped out. Psst! Over here. Come over here. Follow me. I know a hole you can go down. A rabbit. Yes, that owl's going to have you for dinner if you don't hurry up and follow me down the tunnel. Quickly now. So the squirrel family followed the rabbit down the tunnel. And just in time. Woohoo! Oh, rats. Maybe next time. Well, they made it out of the tunnel, and the rabbit told them, anytime you want to come down my tunnel for protection, you can. Oh, you're so kind. Yes, thank you for helping us, Mr. Rabbit. You're so welcome. Bye now. And the rabbit hopped off. Suddenly, the squirrel family saw a truck drive by and park. They decided to hop inside and see what adventure the truck would get them to. And it took off. Soon an orange truck drove by and stopped. The squirrel family jumped inside. This would be an adventure. And off the truck drove. The orange truck made a stop, and the squirrels jumped out. Wow, this is great! They couldn't believe their eyes. Right before them was the most beautiful oak tree they've ever seen. There was vegetation, berry trees, fruit trees, everything they could have ever imagined. Yippee! This was wonderful. They went up to the oak tree to find a hole. The truck drove off, and they went excitedly into the hole of their new oak tree. This was better than they could have ever imagined. Oh, darling, this new home is better than our old home. Oh, I'd have to agree with you. It's so cozy, and it's Acorn's birthday, and we all need to get ready for Acorn's birthday. Oh, thank you. I love this new home. Papa, it's wonderful. Oh, I'm so thankful. All right, family, now it's time for us all to get ready for Acorn's birthday. And so the family scurried and scurried all afternoon. It was the big moment, and it was a surprise for Acorn, for it was her birthday. Acorn, darling, come in the kitchen and open your eyes. Acorn came running into the kitchen and opened her eyes. Wow, that's the biggest acorn cake I've ever seen! Yippee! So Acorn jumped behind the table. She could not believe the biggest acorn cake that she had ever seen. Well, you deserved it, sweetie. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Acorn! This is the best birthday ever! A new cozy house, a wonderful family, and wow, the biggest acorn cake I've ever seen. Yes, we have a lot to be thankful for. And the squirrel family enjoyed a wonderful afternoon with Acorn as the birthday girl. Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. I hope you enjoyed our story about Acorn's birthday and her new move. Her family had to move. All right. Well, guess what? You are going to make your own cover letter sheet today. Okay, so you remember how we did this. We just take a piece of copy paper, we fold it in half, make a thick line, take each half and fold that in half and make a skinny line. Okay, let me get our squirrel sisters out of the way. All right, last time we just did and that's all we did. But today we're doing all three squirrel sisters, okay? All right, so and letter A is a circle letter. We start at the cherry, go up at the top, all the way around, and we make a stem. Okay? And then we're going to take a red marker, and we're going to color this one red. And my marker's very dry, so hopefully yours is better than mine. Okay, there's our A for apple. All right then, let's get a marker. And we're going to put a cherry right here. And then we're going to start the cherry, go up to the tippy top of the clock, all the way around, and make a stem. Okay, now we're going to turn it into an acorn. And we'll put a line across the top. Get out a dark brown marker and color the top in. Okay, very nice. And then get out a light creamy color and color in the bottom portion. You can use a marker or a crayon. Okay, there's our acorn, which will say A for acorn. Okay, get the cherry marker. Put a cherry right there. Get your dark marker. Remember, we're going to go up to the tippy top, all the way around in a stem. All right, now we're going to make a little hair bow. At start the cherry, one big loop and another loop. Okay, and get a pink crayon or marker and color that in. Good job. That's all for little Audrey. Okay, now we're going to make some big ones at the bottom. So you start the cherry, go down the slide, jump back up, and go down the other side and start over here and go toward the honey line. Okay? And then you're going to take a red marker and color this in. We did the A before. All right, very nice. Now get your cherry marker. Put a cherry at the top. Okay, get a dark marker and go down the slide. Jump back up to the top, go down the other way. Jump over here, start from here and jump over. Good. Okay, now we're going to make a little line across the top. Get your dark brown marker, color this in. Nice, and your lighter creamy color and color the bottom portion in. There you go. There's our big A for acorn. All right, get your cherry marker, start at the top. Dark marker. Go down the slide. Jump back up, go down the other way. Jump back and go over. All right, now we're going to draw a loop and a loop for a hair bow. Good job. Get a pink because little Audrey likes pink hair bows. And there you go. And then you have this to practice. And you put it in a cover letter sheet, which we happen to have. And you can practice it. So you start at the cherry all the way around and down. And that one you say, ah. Start the cherry all the way around and down. And that one you say, A. Start at the cherry all the way around and down. And that one is ah. And then here's the big one. Start at the cherry all the way down the slide. Jump back up. Whee! Jump over. That one is ah. A. And ah. Good job. Voila. Hi, guys. I am on my way to my grandma's house. All right, I gotta follow directions. Do I go up? Do I go that way? Which way do I go? Oh dear, this is my combination I'm using. It just says A. Remember the gray letter is silent, doesn't say anything. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. And nay? I'm not trying to find my nay. No, I'm trying to find my way. Fay? No, that's not right. I need a wa. Okay, I'm trying to find my wa. A. Way. Which way do I go? Do I go up, this way, or this way? Okay, I go that way. All right, good job, guys. Oh, hello there. Guess whose birthday it is today? It's Acorn's birthday. Happy birthday, Acorn. Thank you. All right, then. Acorn's mother made her an acorn cake, which was quite delicious. So we're going to spell cake. Yummy. First, we get the first letter. And then we get A for acorn. A. Another K. A. And a silent E at the end. It's gray, so shh, don't wake it up. It makes the A say A. Ache. Cake. Okay. This also says cake, but it's not coated. It doesn't have the training wheels on it. This is not an acorn and this is not gray. So, these have the training wheels on them, and they help you to learn how to read. Cake! Yay! Oh, hi guys, it's me, Jerome. And guess what? It's time for letter art. Yeah! Okay, so we are going over A for acorn today, focusing on acorn, and it's her birthday. So guess what? It's good to see ya, but we're not going to draw you today. And little Audrey, we're not drawing you either. Good to see ya. But we're drawing the birthday girl. A for acorn. Okay, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to put you over here, or my assistant is, and I need my assistant to get a black marker. Zoom in, please. All right. Okay, we're going to draw the shape of the face. And then we're going to go over and make like a little acorn hat. Okay, and then maybe some crisscross lines, diagonal, and then the other way. We're getting fancy.
a little tiny stem. Okay, bring it down a little bit. All right, now we're going to do a V for the nose, and then a little line, and then a curve and a curve. Okay, and some circles for some eyes. Okay, and then some eyes in there. And some eyelashes. Okay, and then some little ear loops. Maybe a little texture in each one line. Okay, and then some curly hair, wavy. Okay, and then we'll do like a little shirt collar. Okay, she's got some texture lines on there. Okay, and then we'll go down, over, up for a sleeve, and then down and over and up and down and over and up. Okay, and then we can just draw some little arms with a few little fingers. Or you can just draw some loops, whichever is easier for you. And then some legs, just go down, over, up, down, over, up. Okay, some little loops for shoes. All right, and then we just have a little tail. Okay, start at the top of the hat. And then skip over. There you go. Okay, now we're going to do some coloring. And so you can use markers or crayons or combination, whatever you can come up with. Okay, so my assistant's got a little bit of both. Okay, so maybe you kind of have a yellow for the shirt. You can color a shirt different, but might be good to color it the same so you can keep your character consistent, okay? All right, so we got kind of a yellow. All right, and then before we get started more, we got to put the A on the shirt, which I forgot. Okay, my assistant, are you ready? Make a big kind of a squarish, there you go. And then start the cherry around and down, okay? And put a hat on it for the acorn. There you go. Okay, and then we can color it a dark brown. Or you can use a marker and then a lighter shade. Okay, maybe get a darker one for the top. Okay, color the tail. Okay, and then her hat. Okay, and then maybe some dark hair. Okay, yellow for the shirt. And maybe some blue for your pants. Okay, brown for the arms. I'm just having her use the crayon. And brown for the face with the crayon. Okay, and then you can color shoes, whatever. All right. There's our A for Acorn. And if you want, you can put a little letter by her. And there you go. A for Acorn. Good job, guys. Oh, hello. It's me, Ellie. I'm in a maid costume. I have a maid's costume on. See, my apron and my little feather duster and my hat. Oh, yes, it's very exciting. Okay, so here we have the A for acorn. Here's our A combination in this word. Remember, the gray letters, they don't say anything, okay? So, we need a Yes, A, may. Now we need a da. Oh, no, that's not a da. That says ain, main. Oh, no, I'm not a main. I'm a maid. Oh, very nice, very nice. A-da, maid. I am a maid, and I love my feather duster. And don't forget our list.